Hello and welcome. Today we're focusing on your wrists and forearms, two areas that get stiff from daily strain, from typing, writing, or all your favorite activities. In this gentle flow, we're going to release any tension you may be feeling in this area through simple exercises and breath. So let's begin. Let's start in a comfortable seated position. Place your hands on your knees, close your eyes, and start to bring your attention to your breath. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the nose or mouth. Inhale, exhale. Inhale slowly through the nose. Exhale slow and complete through the nose. And one more. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Slowly open your eyes and let's start to bring gentle movement through our wrists. So interlace your fingers and start to rotate your palms. Just notice if you're holding any tension here. Maybe make the movement wider, bring the elbows into it, the shoulders. We're just exploring here to see if we feel any tension in our wrists, in our forearms. One more breath. And then stop, shake your hands, raise the right arm up, palm facing up, catch the right wrist with your left arm and slowly bend to the left for an extension. Maintain both sit bones on the mat here and feel this lovely stretch on the right side of your torso. Breathe in, exhale out. Two more breaths in, exhale. In, exhale. And then slowly come up and let's go the other way. So left arm up, catch the left wrist with the right palm. Inhale, extend the left torso. Inhale. One more inhale. Exhale. Slowly come up. Bring your palms now to your chest in a prayer position, and on the next inhalation, raise the prayer up. Exhale down, push through your palm and fingers in equal measure. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale. Exhale. And once more, inhale. Exhale. Good. Now come onto your palms and knees. Palms underneath your shoulders, knees underneath your hips now. And all you are moving, we're just rocking forward and backward. Feel the weight moving through your entire palm. Find your edge and slowly reach towards it. Now turn your fingers so that they face the long edge of the mat and carry on with this movement. Stop at the center and let's rock sideways, left, right. Stop at the center and turn your fingers so that they face your knees. You should feel a lovely stretch. At the wrist level, you should not feel pain. If you feel pain, come back to the previous pose. From here, all we're doing is rocking forward, backward, without lifting the palms from the mat. Don't forget to breathe. One more breath. Now stop at the center. Slowly derotate your palms, tuck your toes under, place your sit bones on your heels, raise your arms up and just squeeze your palms. Make fists and release. Squeeze and release. This should feel really good right now. Okay, interlace your fingers, make a fist and gently rotate your wrists. Shake it off. Good. Now place the palms onto the mat, send the sit bones back and up for downward facing dog. Start to pedal your feet, shake your head. And then stop at the center. Fingers are spread on the mat. The back is long. You can have a bend in the knees if that feels more comfortable for you now. And breathe here. 3 more breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And one more breath. Inhale. Exhale. Come forward into a plank. Lower the knees, the chest and the chin to the mat. Slide your chest forward, gaze up, baby cobra. Push through your palms, send the pelvis back and up and find downward facing dog once more. Raise the right leg up, inhale. Exhale, bend the knee and place it halfway in between the palms and the back leg. Lower the back heel to the mat and slowly raise up. Now you have options with the palms. You can have downward prayer in the back, or you can have upward prayer in the back. Find the best comfortable position for you. Inhale, open the chest, gaze up. Exhale, fold over your leg. Try to bring the chin in the direction of your shin here. Gaze towards the big toe. Inhale. Inhale for 2. Exhale. 3. 4. Lift your elbows high. And 5. slowly raise yourself up. Release your hands. Place the palms onto the mat. Step the feet back and find downward facing dog once more. Shake your head. Pedal the feet. One breath here. Now raise and inhale the left leg back. Extend it as much as you can. Feel that length. Bend the knee and place it halfway in between your palms and the back leg. Lower the back heel to the mat and slowly come up. Place your hands to the back. Use the same position you've used previously on the right side. Inhale, gaze up, look up. Exhale, fold over the left leg. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly and in control, come up. Release your arms from behind, place the palms in front of you, step the leg back, find downward facing dog. Again, shake slightly your head, pedal the feet. Release any tension you've created with the previous pose. Stop at the center, extend the spine as much as you can. Inhale, come forward into a plank. Now you always have the option to lower the knees. If not, we will stay here for 5 breaths. And yes, you can do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bend the elbows, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. We stay here and pause for 3 breaths. 1, 2, 3. Roll your toes under, bring your pelvis back and up for downward facing dog. 2 breaths here. 1, and 2. Lower the knees to the mat, knees as wide as the mat. Extend your arms and let's find child's pose. You can stay here in child's pose or you can bend your elbows, bring your palms together and extend your tricep here. We will stay here for a few breaths. Two more breaths. One more. And then slowly come onto your palms and knee once more, and let's come onto our buttocks here. Extend the legs in front of you and let's find Dandasana, staff pose. Place the palms by the side of your thighs here. Extend the arms, contract your quadriceps, your thighs, and gently lift the toes off the mat. Gaze towards your big toes, back is straight. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Two more. Inhale. Exhale. And one more. Inhale. Exhale. Lower. Good. Now we will do another pose here. Place the palms by the side of your feet. Inhale, extend the spine, look up, and exhale, fold over your legs. You can catch the big toes, you can catch your shin, your ankles, the side of your feet here. Inhale, look up, and exhale, fold over your legs. 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly come up, inhale, exhale here, and then release your legs. Place the soles of the feet to the mat, palms behind you, and we will do a dynamic tabletop. On the next inhalation, raise your pelvis, push through your feet, and raise your pelvis up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. 3 more. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. And inhale up. And let's maintain it here. You can stay here, or if you have the option, you can extend the leg for the full pose. Let your head hang heavy if the neck is okay with it. 3 more breaths. 1, 2, 3. Lift a bit higher. And 5, slowly lower down. Good. Bring your knees to your chest. Hug them dearly in this pose. And now let's find a comfortable seated position. Place the palms on your knees. And start to bring your attention back to the breath and your body. And just notice how you feel right now. What shifted during this short practice? What changed? How do you feel right now? If you have the time, you can go into a longer guided meditation like Yoga Nidra, and I will put some options for you on the screen here. I will choose to close the practice here. Thank you for choosing to practice with me today. I hope you've enjoyed it and you felt the benefits. And let me know in the comments which area you've enjoyed the most of, or how do you feel after this practice. Until next time, I wish you an amazing time. Namaste.